Ford 100. It's or you could be reading it wrong. It could look like flu without the R. So it's the Ford flu. Yeah. You never know. Not
Yeah,
coronavirus.
can't be pho because it would be PHO.
Yeah. Isn't that the soup?
Yeah, exactly.
And this one, I want to see
Pho
the crack is
100.
open because, as you can see it in the back, the 62 Ford pickup is sweet looking and it has some really thick white walls. There we go. Look at that. Ooh. That is nice.
Nice.
Now, right now, we're, if that was the green square back, the square body, unless Boss One got that for $20, there's no way he would open that.
So I wanted to pull out some other pictures and then because our close-up is close-up, but unlike before, I could zoom into it.
Yeah.
We're using StreamYard now. I can't zoom my camera, so
Ooh, look at that thing. I like that. There's some deep rims in there, bro.
we're gonna go
Like
to the
that.
website. Just go to the website and see if we can get some details, like
Get the
body
deets.
color. In this one, we're looking at a Spectraflame bright orange and gloss white on this one.
They could have just named that Spectraflame Creamesicle 1.
Yeah, that would have been.
See?
Yeah, that would have been nice. Spectraflame Creamesicle.
Because it looks like creamsicle. You got the orange and you got the white. The white is the ice cream. The orange is the orange juice. Creamsicle.
Okay, maybe I'm blind, but I don't know. I'm not seeing orange. I mean, I see orange, but I don't see it as orange.
You don't see the orange?
No, I mean, I see it, but then I don't see it as looking like orange.
Creamsicle?
I don't know how. Yeah, I guess so.
Maybe it looks like a burnt orange, probably.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Yeah.
Like a burnt orange.
Yep, a burnt orange.
Yeah, so this one's numbered out of 25,000.
20? Ooh, even low. 25,000.
And the number on this is.
Oh yeah, so this one also says 1 per membership, 5 per household. Purchase limit subject to change at our sole discretion.
Well, it doesn't say you can get 5 though, right? Oh, it does.
Per household, but that means you gotta have 5 memberships.
Okay.
So one for you, one for the cat, one for your daughter, one for your other daughter, your wife, and your car.
It seems like they're encouraging people to lie.
So look at this right here. It says our team created this creamy, dreamy orange and white first edition with opening hood to make you salad.
See? Creamsicle.
Yeah. But you know what? You can't call it creamsicle because that's probably a
copyrighted name.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's copyrighted.
I think it's Metabole, yeah.
Correct.
Yeah. Oh, they can just call them sickle cream.
Yeah. Or sick cream.
Yeah, sick cream.
Oh, that would be good. No, I think Orange Dream that's copyrighted too.
Oh, what about
cream?
Cream. Craig Cream. Craig Cream. It's a great day.
So let's take a look at the number. So I do have 2 of these so far. But this is my low number right here. Look at this.
There's a fog.
1912. Oh, dude, if you would have got that in 1962, that would have been sweet, bro.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that one was stolen right off the assembly line.
So the one that's on the conveyor belt, the round turntable, is
cool.
10,000.
10,369.
Yeah, that's gonna get ripped open.
So I do have one on back order and one also being shipped.
I really, really,
Um,
really, 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 really hope you get them.
yeah, me too. Me too.
Okay, so let's pop this
Me too,
bug out
D2.
open because I want to see how them thick. Oh, I'm sorry, thick white walls look in person on H-Top 50.
So this board is unique. It's one of those unibody designs.
And you don't see too much.
Um,
You know, they hardly do too. They don't. I don't know how to talk. I forgot how to talk. It is cray cray. I meant to say you don't see them use large white walls that often.
no, they don't. And it's a deep
And
dish
they
rim.
look
Deep
good on
dish.
specific vehicles.
Yes. Deep dish pizza.
Oh, not like deep dish pizza. But you can tell back in the day they put Ford really big on the tailgate in case you
Yeah.
forgot
Yep.
what you're driving. I know when I'm driving my car, I forget what it is. So I got to get out and go check the tailgate to make sure what I'm driving is correct.
I'm gonna take that light away real quick because it seems to be overpowering the white.
I
So
agree.
take a look at that.
Yeah, that looks more like a burnt orange than a bright orange.
Tangerine.
Yeah, look at that. That looks way better like that. Too much light.
Yeah.
You know what, boss one, do me a favor. Try to lick the top. See what the thing tastes like. If the thing tastes like creamsicle.
It
It looks
tastes
like
like a
frosting at the top.
60-year-old Ford.
It looks like it's frosting. Somebody put frosting. No, you want donuts.
Never know.
I like it. It's nice.
Yeah, I do too. This is
I
like,
like that. It's nice.
It's too bad
oh,
we
you know
cannot
what?
open the tailgate.
Oh, if they
Yeah,
could
that
open
would
the
have been
tailgate,
nice.
that'd be cool, bro. And if it would be cool if it
Always,
had that hard tonneau. I like how see how the back dips down just a
Mm.
little bit in the back.
Yep.
yeah,
That little touch is pretty cool. And see how like by the doors, right? It comes up a bit, but you see
Hmm.
the orange still coming down, and it's still making it on the bracket. So instead of
Right.
it being all white, it's kind of somewhat orange. It kind of looks like a T top, like you can pop it off.
yeah.
Got it. Yep.
It makes it look like that.
Interesting
Yeah,
graphics.
yeah.
It's
So
kind of a unique style of graphics. I like that. Oh, right there you go. See, that looks like a burnt orange, dude. That don't look like a bright orange.
yeah, take a look at that license plate.
Yeah,
What he
62
say?
Uni.
62. What?
Uni.
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 Yeah.
Oh, because
Mm.
it's unisex. Yeah, that's right.
Unibody.
No, it's made for now. It's unisex because we don't want to offend anybody's body. I gotta teach Boss One all the kind of new stuff. Yeah, he went college. I never. So you don't know all this kind of stuff because you gotta learn them on the street.
That might be the biggest problem. I think we got to start offending more people.
Nah, but it's nice, man.
We
Oh yeah.
become too
So
correct. We forget how to be tough men. Boy.
That is nice, man. You can imagine what a real one like that must cost
yeah.
in that condition. Like one already made like that. It's got to be at least 100 grand.
It's only 62,000.
Yeah, that is nice. Oh, I would like that.
So there's one of my neighbors near my parents' house. Actually, my parents' neighbors. They've got a '62 Ford in their garage,
Ooh,
Oh,
lowered.
floor even.
Oh, you know what? I take that back. You can
Mm.
slap me now because I'm thinking Ford because I like Ford. It's actually a Chevy C10
Oh,
lower.
just as well.
Very
It's a
similar
C10.
to
62 though.
that Super Treasure Hunt one that we traded boss to.
Oh yeah. The
Mm.
purple one.
Yeah, with the huge tubs in the back.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very similar to that.
Oh,
I
that's
think the
still
color
nice.
color might be blue. I think. I think we should see if we could go and take a look at a closer look at their car
There you
Look
go.
at that.
because that would be kind of cool.
I like those. I like those thick white walls, man. Gives it that retro look, and it's tucked under the wells. You can tell that it's deep, but it's still tucked under the wells. That's what you
Yeah,
call smooth, bro. You know what I mean?
take a look at it with the hood down. Oh,
Yeah. See, it looks nice.
that's nice. Hey, my uncle them had one like this, but it wasn't lowered. It was regular height, and he had sprayed it. You know how you did the bed of your truck?
Yeah.
The whole truck was like that.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. My grandpa was driving it and got into an accident and it got totaled, so they don't have it anymore.
Oh, that sucks.
This was a long time ago. Nice truck though.
So would it be safe to say that your love for Mustangs come from families that own Fords majority?
I don't know. I think I've always wanted a Ford Mustang.
What?
Mm.
I
Try
was
lift
in
up the
high
truck.
school. I was in high school when
Let me see
the
underneath.
Fox body came out.
Oh yeah, right, sure.
Oh yeah. See, it's polished.
Yeah, but is that plastic?
No
Looks
way.
like it,
Don't even
doesn't it?
ask. That better not be plastic, dude.
It kind of looks like it.
Oh, it is.
What?
Ooh,
Oh no,
Oh,
I'm wrong. No, I'm
dude.
wrong.
ooh.
No, I'm
It is
wrong.
metal.
It's metal. It's metal.
It's
It
metal.
looks plastic though.
Oh, that would have been a
Folks.
big fail, bro.
See, folks. That's how you push box two's buttons. Almost had to change the banner there.
I
Boss to rents again.
was just gonna say, man, if that was because it did look like plastic, right?
It
Yeah,
did.
it did.
I was like, man, if that was plastic, oh, that's on fail, bro, right there. As nice as that truck is, you cannot have an RLC get plastic bottom negative.
Well, there's that mock vehicle
There's a what?
there's that mock vehicle we've been seeing.
Oh,
There's a lot more plastic on that mock vehicle that there needs to be.
yeah. We're gonna stick with cool trucks like this 62 right there. I like this one.
Yeah, I do too. You know, once
And
we
one
did
thing
get
with a truck
the
like this, the old kind, you could paint it like colors like orange and stuff like that, and it'll look good. Like
Get
some of the
away
new
with it.
trucks, if
I
you was to
agree.
paint them orange, might not work out because of the body lines.
yeah.
Like
You'd have to
black
do
is
a two
always
tone.
universal, white is always universal, but when you come to certain colors, it starts to change with the body style. Okay, somebody is sounding underwater. Who's that?
I don't know how how's the power on both of your
Bad
devices.
static. Who is talking?
Oh, that's box three.
Oh yeah, he's like okay. He's boss three. You sound like you're underwater and you're an alien and you're being electrocuted.
Oh, there, he's back.
I could be.
Okay, good. Yeah, sounded like you was an alien underwater being electrocuted. I was like,
Just
what's
as
going
well.
on here? This felt like Independence Day when when the president asks, "Why are you here?"
Aliens.
Yeah.
Alien.
So let's take a closer look um at some. Let's close this one out first. We'll take a closer look at some stuff.
All right. That's the
RL, some Hot Wheels stuff.
Hot Wheels RLC 1962 Ford F100. Made 25,000 made, not 30, 25,000. And that is bright orange and white, but we think it's more like a burnt orange. So we'd like
Yeah,
to
it's
thank
similar to
everybody
that.
for joining in our live.
Blood orange. Blood orange.
Uh,
There we go.
blood orange, yeah, blood
Blood
orange. So blood
orange. Yeah.
orange,
Yeah.
but it's not. It doesn't look like a bright orange.
No.
But we never make the paint
No.
and we never name them. But it's a cray day. Hey, what you gonna do? All right, RLC's 1962 Ford F100 Hot Wheels H-Dub 50. Mucho mahalos, everybody. We got more stuff coming up. Check out down below. You can see the ticker tape which says we are streaming live on Twitch, Twitter, YouTube, and Rumble, as well as our local page at hdub50.locals.com. We're on Tumblr, Instagram, and Facebook. All of that. Yes, we are. So go check it out. Don't forget hit the bell so you can subscribe. No, so you can get the updates.
Ding.
You subscribe first, and then you ring the bell. Okay. Tell everybody what's going on. HW50. We'll see you next time. For sure. It's a great day. We out. All right.